Hello everyone! I'm so happy to welcome you to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite recipes, stuffed portobello mushrooms. We'll need 4 large mushrooms to start with. And gently remove the stems. If you can't find portobello, just use large white mushrooms. Let's make the marinade. Pour in about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 2 pinches of salt. 2 pinches of smoked paprika. And just a touch of cumin. Cut the lime in half and squeeze the juice from 1/2. Add 2 full tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix everything well. The marinade is ready. Lay the mushrooms on parchment paper with the tops facing up. Brush them with the marinade. Did you know a portobello is just a fully grown white mushroom? Time to bake them in the air fryer. Set it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and cook for 10 minutes. Now take 250 grams, about 9 ounces, of mushrooms of your choice, and chop them into small pieces. I'm using oyster mushrooms, but use your own favorites. Slice a red onion. You can also use shallots or a regular white onion. Friends, we may not see each other here again, so to stay connected, please subscribe now. That way, I'll always be here with you. Slice 1 eggplant. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I'd really love to know. Try to keep the pieces nice and small. Take 150 grams, about 5 ounces, of tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes, but choose the ones you like best. Slice the garlic into thin slices. For cloves are just right. Drizzle some olive oil into a pan. Add all the chopped vegetables. Stir everything together. A little salt to taste. And black pepper. Sprinkle in smoked paprika. And just a bit of cumin. Mix everything well. Add the chopped tomatoes to the pan. Stir and let it simmer for 7 minutes. Chop a bunch of parsley or any fresh herbs you love. Add half a cup, 120 grams, of cream, dairy or plant-based, whichever you prefer. Mix the vegetables with the cream. Add the chopped herbs. Friends, I hope you're enjoying this video. For me, cooking is such a calming, meditative process. Add 100 grams, about 3.5 ounces of cheese, dairy or vegan, your choice. Give it one last stir and take the pan off the heat. Take the mushrooms out of the air fryer. They look wonderful. Flip them over. Brush the tops with more marinade. Pop them back into the air fryer. Set it again to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and bake for 10 minutes. Take out the mushrooms. Perfectly cooked. The aroma is incredible. Stuff the mushrooms with the vegetable mixture and cheese. Place the rest of the filling onto a plate. Spread the vegetables evenly. Place the stuffed mushrooms on top. You can sprinkle some chopped herbs or Parmesan on top. Friends, let me know in the comments if you've tried this simple and delicious recipe in your own kitchen. And if you'd like to stay connected, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Don't forget to share this tasty and healthy recipe with your friends. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.